Would you date a 62 years old foreigner? Yes or no? What is the oldest foreigner you would date? Are you single or in a relationship?
Single po.
How long have you been single?
Since birth.
Since birth. Okay. Describe the perfect date with a 62 years old foreigner. Hi everyone, my name is Lorie and welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. There's many foreigners retiring at 62 and moving to the Philippines to start another chapter of their life seeking a beautiful Filipina. So, in today's video, we are in Ocampo, Bicol, Philippines to ask Filipinas, is 62 good for you and would you date a man that age? Let's find out. Enjoy the interview. Would you date a 62 years old foreigner? Yes or no?
No po.
May we know why? Like if you don't mind.
So, ayan. So, a 62 years old is too old para maging ka-date ko. So, ayan, as an adult din, siyempre, as a girl, siyempre, iisipin din natin yung ano, yung sasabihin ng mga tao sa paligid. Yung mga sabihin ng mga kaedaran mo, "Bakit ka nag-date ng 62 years old tapos sila ganito, ganyan." So, ayan. So, iisipin ko kung ano yung sasabihin ng ibang tao and also sasabihin ng mga parents ko. Also, my family and ayan. So, as a girl, siyempre, gusto ko din na ang i-date ko is yung kaedaran ko din para ano, makasabay sa vibes. Ayan, makasabay sa mga, kumbaga kung ano yung mga ano, mga gusto ko, kumbaga aanuhin niya din, yan.
Interest.
Yes po, same interest.
So she said she won't date a 62 years old foreigner because it's too old for her. And if she go out with someone like 62 years old, people might judge her, friends or even anyone at her age and even her family. Like they're gonna ask her like why like that. So I think you scared? You're scared being seen with someone very old, I mean not very old but too old for you, right? Like 62 years old. You're scared like the judgment of others.
Siguro the others, ano, okey lang naman pero, siguro yung parents, yung family, yun yung mas ano.
So she said, the other people, it's okay, like it doesn't really bother her, but her parents might think like, why like that? Would you date a 62 years old foreigner? Yes or no?
No.
Why no?
Kasi, ayaw kong ano, basta ayaw ko nung ano, nakikipag-date ako sa matanda kasi feeling ko kasi ano, yang iisipin ng mga tao halimbawa po mapicturan po kami na nagde-date po kami, halimbawa sa wrong place po ano, nag-date po kami. Siyempre po ang inot na iisipon po kang mga tao is ano, yang siguro nga peperahan lang nga yang kang babae ngayon, sabi niya po ate.
So she said that she won't date a 62 years old foreigner because let's say they're having on a date like outside and people saw them, people might take photos of them and then they're gonna say that she's only with him because of money. So that's why. So you don't like that people will judge you, right?
Yeah.
Would you date a 62 years old foreigner? Yes or no?
No po.
May we know why?
Ano po, kasi dati pa lang po nanindigan na ako na kumbaga gusto kong makatuluyan talaga ay yung hindi masyadong maagwat yung age. Gusto ko po magkalapit lang kami ng age para kumbaga mas magkaintindihan, hindi yung magiging malabo sa isa't isa.
So she said even before she's really planning to have a relationship with someone that is not too old for her. So, they will understand each other. There won't be any miscommunication or like that. Okay, anyway, let's say after 10 years from now or who knows like in the future, what is the oldest foreigner you would date? Ano ba yung pinakagurang na foreigner na i-date mo? Like in the future?
Okay. Siguro po ano, American.
Oo, anong pinakagurang? Yung age?
Siguro po mga nasa 40s.
40s. Okay. Would you date a 62 years old foreigner? Yes or no?
No,
Why?
puwedeng Bicol na lang din. Habol ko lang ito yung sabihin na porket funeral is may kwarta, nag-iisip ko ang dignidad yung Ocampo toro kung gusto kong mag-focus muna sa pag-aaral.
She said that it's because if you are in a relationship with foreigner, people tend to, like judge them, especially the Filipinas, that they are after their money. So she's thinking about her dignity, right? And she's focusing her studies at the moment. Ate, would you date a 62 years old foreigner? Makikipag-date ka ba sa sarong 62 years old na foreigner, ate?
Yes.
Yes. May we know, ate, why? Bakit? Bakit
Ano,
makikipag-date ka sa sarong 62 years old?
dahil gusto kong mai-travel ko siya sa mga iba-ibang resorts.
Oh, because she wants to bring the foreigner, the 62 years old foreigner, to different resorts. Okay, she wants to travel with him. I see. Okay. Ate, how old are you po?
49.
49. And do you have kids? Do you have
Four.
4 kids? Are you single, ate, or in a relationship?
Single, widow.
Widow. How long have you been widowed, ate?
20.
20 years.
20.
Wow. How old is your youngest kid?
18.
18 years old. And all of them are studying right now?
Yung panganay, 30 na.
The eldest, I mean the
24 saka 22.
the eldest, she is 30 years old. And ate, you own this store, right?
Yes.
So ate is a business owner, a businesswoman actually. This is her store. She's selling brand new clothes, slippers, hats, and more. A lot. It's like sari-sari, like any kind of stuff ate is selling. What is the oldest foreigner you would date?
Siguro same as ayan, so siguro nasa 40s din po.
40s. Okay. 40 years old foreigner, they doesn't look very old actually. They look younger. Yes, they look very young. Okay. Describe the perfect date for you and him.
What po?
I-describe mo yung perfect date para sa imo and then sa iya. Like yung parang perfect na date para sa imo.
Okay. So, ayan, so since I am a Christian po, ayan, so as a Christian, ang gusto ko pong perfect date for me is yung yung si Lord talaga yung center. Ayan, so a date na God is the center, like date to marry, ganon. And so, ayan, siguro we go to church, we go to a fellowship like that na kumbaga kami lang dalawa, and I kumbaga nakikita ko yun as very romantic as a Christian na yung date po na parang kami lang dalawa and we talk about God. We worship the Lord together like that.
I love your answer. Very, very good. Are you single or in a relationship?
Single po
Since how long have you been single?
since birth.
Since birth. Okay. Well, she preferred date to marry, right? Okay. So that guy must be very, lucky. Can you describe the perfect date for you and him? Like yung pinaka-perfect date para sa imo. Like maga-sine ba, maga-travel ba, or maga-outing ba? Ano ba yung perfect date para sa imo?
Po, yung one ko po is yung nasa park lang, yung simple na, yung nature, kumbaga nature trip. Tapos yung maganda yung kapaligiran, yung gano'n po. Simple pero maganda tingnan.
So she wants in the park or something with a beautiful scenery, like nature trip. That's what she said. Okay, are you single or in a relationship?
Single po,
How long have you been single?
for 6 years.
6 years. And you're studying college?
At tapos na po.
Oh, you're done. May we know you're working now?
Teacher,
That's beautiful. You're teaching elementary, high school.
high school po.
What subject?
Val-Ed po, ESP.
Yes, values education, values education. Ah, okay. Would you date a foreigner like, in the future?
Pwede, Foreign puwede naman po basta hindi lang yung matanda
She said yes in the future, but as long as it's not old, like too old for her. But she would date someone in his 40s, right?
yes po.
Describe the perfect date with a 62 years old foreigner. I-describe mo ate yung perfect na date.
Maano lang, mapunta lang sa mga resorts.
She said
Tas doon doon mag-stay mga 3 araw, 2.
go to the resort and then stay there for 2 to 3 days and have fun, right, ate?
Oo.
Okay. Ate, other than money, security, protection, what else can a 62 years old foreigner offer you? Ano pa ba ang may offer kang 62 years old na foreigner sa imo bukod sa kwarta, seguridad, tsaka protection? Ano pang may offer niya sa imo?
Ano daw?
Ano pa ba ang
Ano,
may totoo niya sa imo? Bukod sa kwarta, sa protection, sa seguridad.
Siguro
Ano?
pagmamahal.
She said maybe love. Ah! Ate has been single for 20 years, right, ate? So she said love.
Love.
And how about you, ate? What can you offer to him?
Ano yan, itong
Anong may totoo mo sa iya?
gano'n din pagmamahal.
The same thing, love.
Love.
Okay. Ate, are you looking for like a serious relationship now? Naghahanap ka ba ng seryosong relasyon mo?
Basta okay, naghahanap din.
She said yes.
Kasi 'pag nakatapos na yung mga anak ko, wala na akong kasama 'pag nagsa-asawa sila.
Oh no! She said because once her kids finish they finish studying, she's gonna be alone. So she's like, she's really looking for a serious relationship.
Parang gusto ko rin makarating sa ibang bansa kung sakali.
She also wants to, travel to another country. So marrying a foreigner means like, you can go abroad like that.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So ate is single, 40, how old ate again?
49 now.
49 years old. Okay, 4 kids and they're all, adults. The youngest is 18 years old. Okay, ate, thank you so much po. Salamat!